Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically create a prompt on the Instagram direct messages status thing. So go to the direct messages section, select your note here, and then you are going to select this icon in the middle. So for instance, you ask no. I'll ask what did you eat today for lunch? Then you're going to add in your response first, maybe hot dog, I don't know. Then you're going to either select followers you follow back or just close friends. Then you're going to select share, and they'll be able to respond to that and join into your conversation, and they're going to be able to answer your question. And that is how you can basically ask questions on the Instagram notes status on direct messages, and just add prompts. If you want to remove it, just select the prompt again, select the three dots here and select hide prompt and select OK, and it's going to remove it. But yeah, that is it. Again, it's here, and then it's the second one, and then you can write a prompt, and then you can add your own response and people can join in on the conversation. It works well if you're an influencer or something. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.